Hello friends, I am about to do my nightly face cleansing. Are you guys good about washing your face? I was not before I started using Saint. As an esthetician, I just was not. My makeup wouldn't be on by the end of the day, so I just felt like I didn't really need to wash my face. So I'm using Modere Cell Proof Double Cleanser. If you want to try it out, I love their skincare line, but you want to cleanse your full face. My bathroom here is super tiny. Cannot wait. I just can't wait to have my own house where I can decorate how I want to, with what I want, not have to deal with small spaces or other people's shower heads or water pressure or water heater. I want to be able to control. That is what I am working on now. We are in the middle of house hunting, which I love. I love going to open houses, but when the market's the way it is right now, you have to buy a house for yourself and fight against other people. It's not as fun. So I have a couple of Saint cloths, but this I got at TJ Maxx. It's the makeup eraser cloth, and oh my goodness, I love them. I love the Saint ones too, but these are nice. If you're traveling, they're much smaller than the Saint ones. I have the little Saint rounds, but they're the white ones, and they just always look so dirty even after I wash them. So these come clean a lot better. Finished with my cleanser, turn my water off, let my skin dry. I think I'm actually getting like a real tan. I had put like tanning foam on last week, but I've been out in the sun a lot. I mowed the lawn for the first time ever in my whole entire life today. I made it through about 3/4 of it before the lawnmower quit, and why didn't anyone tell me how fun mowing the lawn is? It's kind of relaxing. So this is the Cell Proof Serum. Just a whole skincare line, and for serums, I try to gently tap them into my skin. Do you wash your face every night? And do you use a good skincare? Are you like using serums and moisturizer and eye creams and everything like that? When I turned 40, I was like, okay, I have to go back. I have to start doing this. I have to start taking care of my skin. So for your eye creams, you definitely want to tap them in. You don't want to rub and pull around your eyes. You can put them up there. Using your ring finger is awesome because it's not as strong, so it's not going to pull and yank up the skin so much. I used to be an esthetician, so my nieces think I need to go back to doing that because they love my facial massages. But that all. Today I did a reel about putting contour into like where your face naturally has a contour, because you don't want to take away from what your face naturally does, what God gave you, the beauty that God gave you. You want to enhance that natural beauty. And if you do have a round face, of course you want to contour it more, but I have more of an angled, even when I don't have contour on. Sometimes the shadows look like I do have contour. I'm going to take the Modere Cell Proof Moisturizer, so you can see it just kind of pumps out like that. Same thing, just gently. You never want to pull on your skin. I know I've said that a million times, but that's just, the more you pull, the more fine lines and wrinkles you're going to get. And if you are going to pull upward. Another thing you can do is do like if you have a lot of sinus issues, doing a lymphatic drainage massage is one of my favorite things to do. That's one of the other things my nieces love. And you'll tell, and you barely touch your skin. You can tell it's working because you'll start swallowing more, and that's your lymphs draining. So there's really no right or wrong as long as you're gently coming to your lymph nodes, just like that. So I just gently press, like you can see my skin isn't really even moving. That's how you know you're doing it right, because you don't want. So if you have allergies, this is a great thing to do. If you have a cold with like lots of sinus pressure, this is my favorite thing to do. So I'm dragging this all to the same spot, like right around my ear, gently. And even like I would much rather get a facial massage by not my own self, because it's not as relaxing, but facial massage is relaxing. And then just press. One more time, drag down, and there you go. Done. So now I'm starting to get back into the routine of doing yoga before bed every night, because when I don't, my legs twitch so bad, which is not fun. So that is what I'm doing. What is your nightly routine? Have you ever suffered from twitching? It's so random because my twitching happens after I've fallen asleep. So it's like if I fall asleep and then something wakes me up, then I'm twitching and my legs are bothering me. But if I don't wake up, then I'm fine. Super random, but I hope you all have a great night. I'm going to be going live every night this week, or at least once a day if it's not at nighttime. Let me know if there's anything you want to know about, anything you want me to dive deeper into, and I will put that on a list to share with you guys. All right, have a great day.